Hi, this is Shad Darby with LoveToCode.com, and welcome to my course on Java Server Pages. The main objective of this course is I want to show you how to build a JSP web application all from scratch. So here's the course roadmap. The first thing we're going to do is learn how to get started with JSP by setting up our development environment. Then we'll explore some JSP scripting elements. Next, we'll learn how to read HTML form data with JSP. And then I'll show you how to manage application state with cookies and sessions. And then we have a lot of more things that we'll add to the course. So a lot of good things coming up in this course for you. Now, one thing about the course is that all of the source code is available for download. So you can download the source code at the beginning, and then you can follow along with the videos and review the source code. Or you can write it in all by yourself if you'd like. It's totally up to you. You have the option. Now, I'll present a lot of good information in the course. However, you still may have a question or need help. Well, no problem. Simply post a question in the Udemy classroom discussion, and I'll come through and answer it. I'm a very responsive instructor, so I normally respond within the next 24 hours. So feel free to post your questions to the Udemy discussion. Okay, great. A lot of good information coming up here for this course. I'm excited, and I hope you are too. We'll have a lot of fun in this course, so stay tuned for the following videos.